Well, hey IG. I finally finished painting. Finally got back to the shop to finish painting. Big reveal. See how my masking actually held up. Always concerned when I leave the tape on too long that it's going to destroy the wood underneath. Well, there she is. Now I need to poly it, put the logo on, and then a ton more poly. Yeah, this isn't scary at all. Not gonna lie, that hurt a little. But hey, it's a hole. Results are worth it though. Hole came out really good. I'm gonna actually put a handle on that drill so it's not quite so hard to hang on to. But hey, cornhole has a hole. Alright, here we go. We're gonna mount up the decal on the board. So what I've decided is first off find the dead center of the logo because I want to center it in the board. So 10 1/4 by 10 1/4, little light pencil mark right there, and then makes it pretty easy to center that on the board. So that's 18, and that's exactly at 12. And then the trick is to obviously make sure that it is square on there. That is a little bit more. Let's see. We're going to use a framing square on that and hope that the logo is relatively square on the backing. So there we go. So, in theory, we're good to go. So, this one I'm going to do like a hinge type approach where I actually tape down the top. So in theory, it won't go anywhere, and I will be able to lift it up, slowly pull the backing off, and lay it back down. So push the top just a bit. These are stationary. Make sure you get all the air bubbles out. Wrinkles and things of that nature will cause you a headache. Not that they're not fixable, but much better to get them out early while you can. firm, but not too hard that you tear or rip anything, obviously. Work your way out from the middle. Backing, you want to make sure that you pull it at a sharp angle up close to the board. The piece of the logo comes off as you're pulling it. Just roll up the tape back, press it down with some sort of spatula or something until it sticks, and then give it another try. There. She is. Ha! Perfect. Yeah, if any part is not smooth, you can just go back over it, make sure it's all nice and perfectly laying flat, no wrinkles, no bubbles. Okay, as you can see probably from this one, the decal or logo on the decal is not actually oriented correctly. So what I basically did here, and obviously every situation is going to be completely different, but because we've got this emblem right in the middle, I found the center point between these 2 points here, drew a line, marked the center there, and then used the bottom down here to draw a line to this dead center. Found my center point of the decal, and now I can actually orient it off of that line that I've drawn as opposed to the edges of the decal. So 12 inches. And 18 inches. So now, even though, as you can see here, the decal is not square on the board, the emblem, which is the key piece, is actually going to be centered and won't look skewed. So, just a little tip. And Jimmy crack corn, and I don't care. Jimmy crack corn, and I don't care. And they are done. They came out super awesome. I'm very excited. Logos came out great. Might have wanted to paint the legs, but that's okay. They look great. I'm super happy, and I think obviously IFGA is going to be pumped.